welcome to today. Today we're in Preveli Beach, Palm Beach. It's one of the most beautiful beaches in Greece, but it's up in the mountains, as you can see here. It's quite a path to down. We need to go all the way down to reach the beach. And the path is not that great, so I guess that's the only minus point, but look at the view is amazing. Let's go down this rocky pathway and reach the beach. Preveli, but they call it Palm Beach. Not sure why, but I can always put it in the video description or in screen here. Let me just take you guys a little bit more with me, and then I will see you downstairs. We reached the next viewpoint, which is here. Let's film a little bit here so you guys can see.
A mogę tutaj zrobić sobie sprawę?
Troszkę bo wodę swoją. Woda naprawdę wziął. No już tak muszę iść zrobić. No jak chcesz.
Ciężko będzie zjechać po ciebie. Może od tamtej strony? Jakaś droga jest.
So we basically need to go down there in the middle. Let's go more down. To go to this beach, you need some conditioning, I guess, because you arrive in the mountains and then you have to go downwards on this whole trail, as you can see. But I will bring you guys with me, and then you have an idea. Yeah, guys. So one thing I didn't expect is you have to go all the way. Yeah, you basically do a hike downward to reach the beach. That's a little bit disappointing, but it's like a free workout. But a free workout with an amazing view. Okay guys, see you back in a bit. I'm already not looking forward to going back up. Oh, downstairs is already giving a lot of conditioning. so going upwards will be even worse, I guess. Keep in mind when you go to Palm Beach slash Preveli Beach, you have to go a long way down. And return to the parking spot, you have to go a long way up. Okay, almost there, almost. I have my water shoes on already. Probably not a good idea with all these stones. At least, I mean, for the little stones it's not a problem, but for the big stones it is. So you can better put on your normal shoes or your hiking shoes or whatever. Look out this hole here, right? We have arrived, but it is a hell of a long way. I'm like tired as a mother. Here you can see the beach side. But we'll go towards the palm and walk in the water. But it's definitely the most, I guess, one of the most beautiful beaches I have been to until now, because of the rocks and stuff. So let's go towards the water and I will show you what is so popular here, you know. Let's go to see what they have here. Almost looks like a jungle. We need to find the water side. Okay, we have reached the location. We have reached the destination. We're gonna go in the water and then walk all the way towards the beach. Let's go. Okay guys, we are at the Preveli Beach in the water. As you can see here, you can walk between these two mountains and then you can go towards the beach again. So we're gonna just like walk a circle. Let's go take a water walk. In the middle it's a little bit more not so deep. So on the sides it's more deeper. So even though my what do I have in my pocket? Only my iPhone. So basically I'm safe, but you can walk with your backpack and stuff in the water because it doesn't. Yeah, you don't go deeper than knees length, I guess. You have to find which are the not so deep parts. So now the side is a little bit more undeep. I don't want to go that deep
GP.
You still have my phone? Yes. But it's fine. We found a not so deep area, so we can just walk. So now I can show you in peace. And the sun is strong enough to dry my t-shirt and stuff. So if you're in Preveli Beach, Plakinas, yeah, Preveli Beach and Plakinas, but it's more known as Palm Beach. So yeah, there with at the big rocks, that's the end. So probably gonna walk towards the beach side now. So I'm gonna go towards the backside. Nice camera. Yeah, you really have to search for the where it's not so deep. So you can just walk if you have a bag with you, you know, or a backpack. For me, I have my little pack here, which contains my money and other stuff, so prefer not to have it wet. Do a 360. We're almost at the beach side. Just gonna stick everything together so you can have a little bit of idea how it works here. But it's basically you can just chill, you know, walk in the water, preferably until the waist. Nice palm trees and other things.
They say have a big tattoo. Big tattoo.
Oh, sorry. We finally have reached the side again.
Tipo accendine balneazione non le vedi le persone che...
So just a little bit of beach walking and then we're gonna go towards the exit again, but this was a nice place to visit. Going upwards. It's a little bit more harder, like I said. Up and up and up. On this beach you have some kind of stairs, so but it doesn't help. Oh yeah, already tired. I'm back, guys. I'm still alive, but it's getting more difficult and difficult. I think we're almost there. Just a few more steps. See you back at the top. Whew, we have made it.